Hello everyone, this is Madhumita Kothawala and we will be studying about nucleic acids today. Nucleic acids are the essential biomolecules that are required for the normal functioning of the cell. There are two types of nucleic acids, that is the DNA and the RNA. So the DNA is present in the nucleus of the cell and RNA is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. So the DNA is one of the important nucleic acids as it is the genetic material for most of the organisms except some viruses. DNA is considered as very important in all the industries. For example, we have seen in many crime series that the murderer is caught by the identification of the DNA. We can say that DNA is the important nucleic acid as 90% of the organisms have it as a genetic material. The DNA is a biomolecule that consists of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen base attached. It consists of the helical structure consists of a helical structure that is a double-stranded helix structure. One strand is always complementary to the other strand. The DNA bases on this strand will be complementary to the DNA bases on this other strand. For example, DNA consists of nitrogen bases, that is the purines and the pyrimidines. The purines and the pyrimidines consist of adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. For example, adenine is present on one strand of the DNA, the thymine will be present on the other strand of the DNA, and both the nitrogen bases will be binding each other by the hydrogen bond. So, the double stranded structure is maintained by the hydrogen bond present in each basis. So this is the basic structure of the DNA. The DNA does not have a OH group at the second position of the carbon of the ribose sugar. That's why it is called as the deoxyribonucleic acid. That means that there is no OH group present on the second carbon of the ribose sugar. The sugar present in the DNA, that is ribose, the phosphate group and the nitrogen base together are called as nucleotides, and these nucleotides come together and form a helical structure called as the double helix of the DNA. The DNA is present in the nucleus of the cell. Nucleus also contains the chromosomes. So what is the chromosome? Have you seen a yarn of wool? The wool is the fibers of the wool are wound together in a way that it could fit in a small area. That what happens with the DNA. The DNA fibers are supercoiled against the histone proteins to form the chromosomes. So the chromosomes are nothing but the DNA molecules bound together to form a ball of yarn like the chromosomes, and the chromosomes are present in the nucleus. Hence the nucleus is the important location of the cells. It controls most of the activities that are happening in the cells. The second important nucleic acid, that is the RNA, that is the important molecule for the production of proteins. The proteins are produced by the RNA from the DNA. Thank you.